Okay, so the maximum amount of time for a video on the program I use is 15 minutes. So I had to add the last example to a second video. So here it is. We have -1.5 minus -1/2. Two signs next to each other, cancel out, make one sign. Two negatives, make a positive. Okay, so now we have -1.5 plus 1/2. Now let's look and see if the signs are the same or different. Okay, there's one, and here's another. One is positive, one is negative, so they're different. Since they're different, we're going to subtract. Bigger digit minus the smaller, so 1.5 minus 1/2 will leave you with 1 whole. The 1.5 is bigger than the half, so it's going to be -1. And that is it. Again, please come to a Zoom session if you have questions. I can explain whatever you are struggling with. We can do more practice. Also, Khan Academy has more videos and practice if you think that would help you as well.